Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, a cool song here from David called 2016. I think this is a released song, I'm not sure, I just came across this one on YouTube, set unreleased, I'm not sure. Anyway, 2016, a nice song there, you can listen to it. So this is a pretty straightforward song there with 4 main chords, but then you need to add a couple chords to handle the bridge part. So we'll come to that. First, no need for any capo. All right, so we're going clean here. Let's go over the first 4 main chords for this one. So we're gonna start with a bar chord here. That's the A, and I think it's actually for this song easier to go with this bar version than the standard A up here. So we'll go with this bar on this 5th fret. So you bar all strings there on the 5th fret, and then you need to add 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6th on G. That's the A. We'll go to the F sharp minor. That's another bar chord there. You place the bar now on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Then we have the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the last out of this main 4 chords is the E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So this is perhaps 95% of the song. A, F sharp minor, D, and E. Then we need to add a couple chords to handle a bridge part later on. So that will be pretty easy. It's very similar. It's exact the same grips all over the fretboard there. So it goes from this position to this, to this, to this. All right. So just different names. So we can go from this way here. That's the B. So you play a bar on the 2nd fret there, and you don't have to bar the last E string. So 5 strings from bottom up on the 2nd fret, and then you add another bar there on the 4th fret. All right, this one goes from the D string and down, so you just need this 2nd on A, and then another bar on the 4th fret from the D string and down. So that is the B chord. Then we'll go to the next position, exact same grip and exact same relations between the fingers here. You land on the index finger on the 3rd fret, bar there, the exact same strings, and their 2nd finger here, whichever you choose. I do with my ring finger, I land on the 5th fret. So that's the C. Then you move forward here against your body to this position, another fret, that's the C sharp. And then the last one is this, another fret up, it's the D. All right, so it goes from B to C to the C sharp to D. All right, so there you have the added chords for the bridge part later on. But first, let's take a look at the main parts. Like I said, the chord progression here will be A to F sharp minor to D to E, and we have 3 different ways of handling these strumming here on these chords. So it starts with just 2 downs and a pause. So this version, like this. And then you try to mute it in different ways. You can release your fingers you have on the fretboard. That's one way to release the grip and just lean it on the strings. Right? That's one way. The second way is to use your strumming hand and lean it on top of the strings down here. So, all right. So you do that in your way. I believe I perhaps do a mix of it. Anyway, let's do one strumming round of this. You just do 2 downs per chord. So A, down, down, F sharp, down, down, and so on. With the chord progression, it goes like this. All right, so you do that for a couple rounds in the beginning. Then you can also use, if you go back to the A chord, down, down, clap, down, up. So that is more emphasized on the rhythm here. So that's one round. So one of those per chord sounds. And so on. All right, so that's the second version, and the last version is very similar to the second one. You just replace the clap here with another down. So down, 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 up is one round now. So back to A, and it goes. Okay, so. And yeah, one of these sounds. So you can choose between the second and the third version of it to go and what you feel is the better choice here. The first with the clap is more based on the beat there, and the last third here more on the rhythm. So it's up to you. I choose the third version of it, and that's just me. But anyway, that is how you handle the main part of the song. Then about 1 minute and 27 seconds into the song comes a bridge part, and this is where we need all the added chords. So it goes like this. A, 2 string rounds of this second or the third version, the down, 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 up, or the down, down, clap, down, up. So 2 rounds of that. So then you play the C sharp, this chord here, 2 string rounds. And then you go to the D, okay, 1 string round. And then you play 1 down of the following chords, D, C sharp, and C. And then you land on the B and play 2 string rounds. Notice there on the B, when you play the first down there of the strumming, the first down out of the 2 string rounds, you have to have a short little pause to fit in rightly into the timing there. So when you come from this D with the bar here, and then you go to B, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So the first down is played, and then a short pause, and then you do the rest in the same strumming timing there. So that is 1 round, okay? So you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So slowly, 1 round goes like this. And you do that for 2 rounds. Then back to the main. All right, so after that bridge part, you go back to main and fulfill that song there from that part till the end here, and that pretty much covers David's 2016. Nice song there, love that one. So give it a like if you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you here very soon again. Till then, play tuned.